What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and I'm back again with another banger, man. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen my waves, but I just wanted to come at y'all with another, you feel me, banger. I wanted to make sure my hair was A1 before I came back. I didn't want to come back with a bald head and teach y'all how to do nothing. It's been about 3 weeks since I unragged, but I ain't really started brushing until, you feel me, a few days ago. So we're going to count this one as how to get waves for beginners day 1. So as y'all see, I'm unragging in that pink lemonade Rico's 360 surf rag. This is the progress I got so far on my head. This is how my hair looking so far. So I'm finally starting to reach that curl length, you know? I'm finally starting to reach that curl length, so now I can really start going crazy with the brush. If y'all see, it's a few little shadow waves in there, but they're not going to really show up, so, you know, because I'm just now reaching curl length. So right now is the best time to start brushing and getting everything locked and loaded. Feel me? So this is completely from day 1 right here. This is day 1. First thing you need to do, obviously, you need to get your mirror, your brush. I think y'all should know this by now if you don't. Mirror, your brush, get you some type of oil, or you get you a pomade. I already put a pomade in my hair last night. Today I'm going to be putting in this legendary oil right here. You could do an oil, you got to keep your head moisturized, or you could put a pomade in there to lock it down. Me right now, I just feel like my hair needs to be moisturized, so I'm going to go ahead and just throw some oil in. Now let me show you all the brush angles that I'm going to be doing starting off 2021. So to start, I'm pulling my top off just like that at an angle, you feel me? Just at an angle like that. Like I said, I'm at curl length right now, so now is the time to start really going crazy with that brush, because, you know, when you first scalp, you want to let your hair really grow in. You feel me? You can't just start brushing with a bald head. You're not going to see no progress. But this is the pattern that I'm doing. Brushing out like that. I'm going to take the back and I'm going to slant it. I'm trying to have my crown right there, right in that area. So I'm going to slant it just like that. You feel me? And then I'm going to take the other side and I'm pulling it. You feel me? I'm pulling it from here on to the rest. Then the side right here, I just pull straight like this. And when I get to the top, I swoop it up. You feel me? Just like that. So if you're not brushing right now, bro, pick up your brush. You should be brushing with me. If you're just now starting off, like I said, brush with me, or wait until your hair grows into that curl length so you can start brushing and going crazy. But as I see, I'm slanting the top. The sides, I'm just bringing straight down like this. Y'all seen how I did the top? The sides, I'm bringing straight down with the slant. I'm bringing it into the slant into the sides like that. Then I get to the back and I'm slanting that like crazy like that. Straight from the crown piece. Then with this side, I'll just take it like this and I'll lock that in. You see how I see that line right there? I'm pulling that in, finishing this side off straight, because I know this side always gonna lock in. This is my good side, so hopefully I can have all good sides, but my good side always comes in first, so I'm gonna be flawless on this side first. So I brush that one just straight. So I want that side to be flawless. That was my flawless side before I scalp. Then when I get to the top to lock the crown in, you feel me? I turn it like this, go like that, slant it in, bring it around. Bring it around just like that. And right back at it, same motion. So the best thing you could do when you starting off day one, bro, figure out how your hair grow. So the whole time that you starting off from a bald head, you want to figure out if your crown grows counterclockwise or the opposite way. So mine, it grows this way. So that's the way I'm going to brush my hair so things can flow better. If you go against the crown, it's going to take longer for your waves to come in because you're brushing against the, the way your hair grows. So if you brush with the flow of your hair, everything will grow in the formation. Even if you're changing it slightly at an angle, your hair is going to be trained to go towards that angle, because before you start to curl up, your hair is straight. Because waves is nothing but laid down curls. So when you brushing and your hair is straight, right now I'm training my hair to start growing in at an angle. So when I train my hair, because normally I brush a 360, I would normally brush straight down. Now I'm brushing my top at a slant. So I'm forcing my hair to grow another way. So it's going to be a little harder for everything to come in, but when it do lock in, everything start growing, and the brush tells my hair, look, I want you to grow in this way. It's going to start growing in that way, and everything's going to flow in together with the front and the back. Because I'm only slanting the back. I'm only slanting the back and the front. The sides, I'm bringing down like a normal 360, slanting the back. This other side right here, I'm bringing straight out. Y'all know that side was my flawless side. Bringing that straight up, and I'm curving it until I get to the top. So I'm just basically training my top, because when I had my last pattern, I would always slant my back. So that's already trained to grow that way. Right now, the main focus is just getting my top to slant this way. But right now, I'm really focused on just going crazy with the brush. I don't care about products and things like that. Of course, I'm going to keep my hair moisturized. I'm going to always keep a pomade in my hair to make sure everything is laid down. A thick pomade. I still got all my natural products that I am going to move to. But right now, I've been using the Sporting Waves to go crazy like I told y'all. And I'm just forcing my hair to grow the way that I want it to grow. You feel me? You got to be in control. You can't get waves and not be in control of your hair and not brushing. Right now is the best time to figure out how everything grows. Figure out your pattern, figure out what works for you, because now you're starting off from scratch and you don't have time to play around. You have to lock everything in. Right now you're just going crazy with that brush. Who cares about a product? Who cares about a do-rag? You're going crazy with that brush. And the only brushes I've been using is my new brushes right here. It's that Ferrari red. Y'all can see better details on my website. Make sure y'all go shop below at ricothewaver.com. I also got this pink lemonade silky right here I'm using, all on ricothewaver.com. Y'all can go check that out. Also, and this oil right here, this PB oil, I had a link down in the description for that. Y'all can go check that out. This is a good oil I've been using to help my hair be more healthy. It's also been helping my hair look a lot more silky, and just gonna overall have my hair come in more healthier and silkier when I do brush my waves down. I just want to cop on here, show y'all real quick how to brush y'all hairs and things to know from day one as a beginner. Today is the day where you start waving. You start waving today, man. So make sure y'all lock everything in. Take the tips that I told y'all, run with it. If you need any tips or anything like that, make sure you follow me on Instagram at ricothewaver. DM me. You may be featured in my next video. If y'all ain't even seen my last video, I reacted to all my DMs on TikTok, and then threw it on YouTube for y'all to all watch, So make sure y'all go check that video out. I basically replying back to my supporters and helping y'all with tips and tricks that y'all need for y'all waves, And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. We coming with nothing but heat. And yeah, man, I want to see y'all progress, man. Let me see y'all progress. If y'all scalped, send me some progress. I want to see what y'all waves is looking like. Y'all seeing my progress right now from day one. And let's get it up. Let's run it up, man. It's your boy Rico. I'm out.